Good morning, you are listening Shalini Singh, your news anchor from Lahore Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 10th July from around the world. मैं विकास दुबे हूँ कानपुर वाला the gangster gets type slap from MP cop during arrest. Dreaded gangster Vikas Dube's voice was silenced by a tight slap received on the back of his head from a Madhya Pradesh cop when he glared at people watching his arrest and groveled. I am Vikas Dube, Kanpurwala. Dube was being escorted to a waiting police jeep when onlookers gathered to catch a glimpse of the police action near Mahakal temple in Ujjain when he shouted at them. Gangster Vikas Dube visited Mahakal temple using a VIP pass, ending a 6-day mand. Gangster Vikas Dube was today arrested outside a temple in the pilgrimage city of Ujjain. Gangster Dube's arrest suspicious should be probed, said Congress. Alleging that gangster Vikas Dube's safe exit from Kanpur and the sequence of events leading to his arrest in Ujjain seemed suspicious. Senior Congress leaders in Madhya Pradesh on Thursday demanded a high-level probe into it. One of the Congress leaders said that the gangster links with politicians and policemen should be probed. Coronavirus update. Some localized outbreaks, but no community transmission yet, government says. India recorded its biggest single-day spike on Wednesday with 25,530 fresh COVID-19 cases, breaching the 25,000 mark for the first time. The country's total caseload has reached 7,67,296. India's cumulative death toll is now 21,129. Coronavirus India vaccine. Safe COVID-19 vaccine 6 months away, says Serum Institute of India. As coronavirus cases spike up in the hotbeds across the country, India's premier vaccine maker based out of Pune, Serum Institute of India said that they are expecting a timeline of at least 6 months before we see one of their vaccines being deployed for public use. What Indian and other foreign students contribute to the US economy? The Trump administration said on Monday that foreign and university students will have to leave the country if their classes are all taught online, clouding the future of tens of thousands of enrollees and potentially straining budgets at schools struggling to reopen during the coronavirus pandemic. About 1.1 million foreign students attended U.S. higher education institute in the 2018-19 school year, according to a report issued by the State Department and the Institute of International Education, and they made up 5.5% of the entire U.S. higher education enrollment. Sensex rises 409 points to close at 36,738. Nifty settles above 10,800. Equity indices finished on a higher note on Thursday with the benchmark BSE Sensex rising over 400 points led by gains in financial and metal stocks ahead of the start of corporate earnings season. The 30-share BSE index surged 409 points or 1.12% to close at 36,738, while the broader NSE Nifty finished 108 points or 1.01% higher at 10,813. I, Shalini Singh, will come with you tomorrow with latest updated news. Stay tuned with us. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.